everyone! You may have come across some of these cool, colorful maps that show the relationship between two variables. Though they seem a bit complicated, I'm going to show how you can create these maps in ArcGIS Online in a snap.
The first step is identifying some data with variables that you would like to compare. Here I have added Canadian census data for 2016 with population density and income attributes to my map. I have added the same layer twice to show the population density and median income variables separately with their own symbology. These two variables have very different patterns, and it's difficult to see at a glance if there's any relationship between them when I am just comparing between two layers. That's where a bivariate map comes in handy. Bivariate, or relationship symbology, works by essentially overlaying two color ramps to create a two-dimensional grid that shows the correlation between two variables. In this example, dark purple represents regions where both variables have high values, the light color is where both variables are low, while blue and pink are regions where one of the variables has a high value and the other has a low value. So let's create a copy of this layer and this time use both the population density and the median income fields for our symbology attributes. When we have more than one attribute, we get an updated selection of symbology types. The one I want for this map is the relationship symbology type. To compare with the other layers, I will change the colors to be blue and pink. The legend in the corner tells us how to interpret the symbology. In this case, dark purple corresponds to areas with high population density and high median incomes, while pink are areas with high median incomes but low population density, and blue are areas with high population density and low median incomes. At a glance, this map shows a very interesting relationship between the variables that would have been difficult to see with the two single attribute layers alone.